Good morning, you guys. Welcome to math class. Thanks so much for being here. We're going to start class with a little bit of a magic trick. So, I want you guys to think of any number and write it down. It would be helpful if you write it down. So, think of any number and write it down. Now, subtract the number you have thought with 1. Okay, so if the number that you thought of was 6, 6 subtract 1 would be 5. Or if the number you thought of was 11, 11 subtract 1 would be 10. Okay, so subtract the number you have thought with 1. Okay, next step. Multiply the result with 3. Okay, so whatever your number was here, after you subtracted 1, multiply the result with 3. Step 4, add 12 with the result. Okay. Step 5, divide the answer by 3. Step 6, add 5 with the answer. Step 7, take away the number you have thought from the answer. That is, subtract the answer from the number you have thought. Okay, now I'm going to work my magic. Was your answer 8? If you did your calculations correctly, everyone in the class should have got the same answer, which was 8. So if you didn't get to 8, then you did something wrong in one of the steps. So today's class is a catch-up work day, okay? We are winding down. We don't have that many days left in the semester, and there are lots of you that have lots to do in order to be caught up. So thank you for coming to class. That's awesome. That's amazing. I'm so glad you're here. Thank you for watching this video. That's also very awesome. The next thing I need you to do is to figure out which lesson you're on. You need to watch that lesson right now. Okay, so in breakout room number 1, we have a list or a link to all of the Math 1 Essentials lessons that you need to complete in order to earn first semester credit. Okay, so if you want to earn first semester credit and be able to move on to second semester of Math 1, then you need to have all of the lessons on that document complete by the end of the semester. And we're running out of time, okay? So whatever lesson you're on, do that lesson today. The lesson video takes less than 30 minutes. All you have to do is follow along in the video. Take down notes and then raise your hand and we will help you with the quiz on the board. We will help you pass off 1 lesson today and maybe even 2. If you work really hard, you could even get 2 lessons done today. So we also have Math Lab today this afternoon. You should see that on your schedule. So if you get 2 lessons today in class done and then you get another lesson today in Math Lab, you will be well on your way to doing whatever you need to be successful at passing this semester. Okay, Miss Kohler and I are here to help you. We want to help you. Please let us. Please commit today to yourself that you can get a lesson done, and then remove all distractions. Okay, so if you're looking at something else on your computer while you're trying to watch the math lesson, that's not going to work. Okay, you have to focus. Maybe just set your timer and make a promise to yourself that you will focus for 30 minutes and that you will get 1 lesson done today. Okay, and with that said, I'm going to meet you guys in a breakout room when you're ready for my help. So move to breakout room number 1, and that is where you will find all of the lesson links and information. And then type in the chat to Miss Kohler and I that you are committing today to work on a lesson. So type in the chat what lesson you're going to be working on, and then raise your hand when you're done, and we'll help you with your quiz. Okay. if you have a question, if you don't know what lesson you're on, raise your hand and we will help you with that as well. You guys, we're on your team. We know you can do this. We know that math is something that's not easy for everyone, but we know that everyone in this class can do it and you can be successful. Even if you haven't done well in math in the past, you can do really good in this class. Okay, so with that said, let's get to work.